In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. Data extraction in Excel simply means pulling out specific information from a larger data set. This can be as simple as finding one matching value, or as advanced as returning multiple rows that meet a certain condition. The method you use depends on what kind of result you need, so in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few common options and explain when each one works best. Let's start with the filter function, which is one of the easiest and most powerful methods if you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021. Filter is useful when you want to extract entire rows based on a condition. For example, if your data is in cells A2 through C10, and you want to return only the rows where the values in column B match a specific name, you can use this formula. Equals filter, open parenthesis, A2 colon C10, comma, B2 colon B10 equals a name, in quotation marks, close parenthesis. What this does is scan column B for that matching value and then return all corresponding rows from columns A through C. This is especially helpful when you need a dynamic result that updates automatically if the data changes. It's a great choice for filtering lists without manually sorting or hiding anything. Next, let's look at VLOOKUP, which is a classic Excel function for basic data extraction. VLOOKUP is best when you want to pull back a single value based on a lookup key. A sample formula would be equals lookup, open parenthesis, E2, comma, A2 colon C10, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. In this example, Excel looks for the value in cell E2 within the first column of the range A2 through C10. Once it finds a match, it returns the value from the second column of that same range. The word false tells Excel to look for an exact match. VLOOKUP is simple and useful, but it does have limitations, especially if your return column is located to the left of your lookup column. That's why many users now prefer XLOOKUP, which is more flexible and easier to read. A sample XLOOKUP formula is equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, A2 colon A10, 10, comma, B2 colon B10, close parenthesis. Here, Excel searches for the value in E2 within column A and returns the matching result from column B. XLOOKUP is recommended because it's more modern, more adaptable, and avoids some of the restrictions of VLOOKUP. And that's how to extract data in Excel using filter, VLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP.